Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are unboxing the February BoxyCharm. Now I'm a little tiffed about this box because I received mine super uber late and I really don't know why. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It is feeling a little bit light, but again, this is for the month of February, so if you're interested to see what I got, stay tuned and let's unbox. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, which now we pay $25 a month, and it is a beauty subscription. You get anything from skincare, brushes, makeup products, that jazz. So let's go ahead. So I'm opening this up and I don't have a card. Okay, so I don't have an insert in my box. So I can't tell you the price or really any information about the items itself. So that's not so great. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out, this is Evo Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So I don't know, are these makeup removing wipes? Not quite sure exactly if this is to take off. So the directions here say you can gently massage a single refreshing cleansing hemp wipe over the face in circular motions, taking care around your eyes. No need to rinse. For maximum results, use the mask that they also make 2 times a week. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is like a makeup removing wipe or if it's just a refreshing wipe, but I got wipes. I'm not too jazzed about wipes. And just a statement, it's a subscription box, so there are going to be some months that are amazing and some months that are bad. So just keeping that in mind. Not so sure about this month. Okay, so the next thing in the box is the Ciate Everyday Vacay, and this is a coconut setting powder. Okay, so I did get a Ciate setting powder in the past, and it was too light for my deep skin tone. Now, when I do a setting powder, I like a setting powder that is kind of it's deeper in color, so it matches truer to my skin color, and it doesn't give me like a flashback when I take photos with a flash camera. So I kind of stay away from white. Yeah, so this looks like it's just straight up like a white powder. Let's see. It's not saying anything about it being translucent. But you can set your concealer, you can bake with this, set your makeup, and all that good setting jazz. So because this is definitely not my skin tone or one that I would use for my face, I'm just going to keep it sealed, keep it in here, and put this in a giveaway. So I am currently working on the 2K giveaway. I'm waiting on 2 more things, but this I will just throw in there as well. And the next thing that I got is, now these I like. So these are by First Aid Beauty, and I was introduced to First Aid Beauty through Sephora, but these are facial radiance pads, and I have used these way back in the day, and I really did like them. It's just, you know, you find other things, you kind of move on, but it's kind of cool that I got these, and I definitely will use these. I do like these a lot. They're not like exfoliating, so it's not like a bead, but they're grooved, so you can really feel like the pads are doing something to your skin. So yeah, I really do like these pads, so I am glad that this came in the box. And the next thing I'm unboxing is the QMS Intensive Eye Cream. I do like eye creams. I like testing out some new eye creams, and BoxyCharm did introduce me to Juice Beauty Eye Cream, which I love, and I'm almost out of it. So let's hope that this will be a good replacement. So again, this is the QMS Intense Eye Cream Day and Night. Let's see. There are no directions on here or no other information because I didn't get a card. So this is all I can show you or tell you is what is on the bottle, and that's all it gave me. This is 15 milliliters of product, and eye cream put under your eyes. I do get a lot of like dry patches under my eye, and especially when I set my eye with setting powder, I can see those patches peek through. So really, I have been enjoying using an eye cream day and night. And this doesn't have a smell, so I'm glad about that. And okay, so I will give this a shot and see what I think, but hopefully it's something that adds hydration and moisture to my under eyes. So yeah, it's a cute little bottle. All right, and the last thing in the box are some brushes. So here we are. These are really cute rose gold looking brushes. Let's see, so this is by the company Elamar. So these are the brushes, and they have a kind of rose gold handle, plastic metal feeling, and they come with protective guards, which I like. Okay, so these protective guards are really great when you wash your brushes. So I use these all the time. After I've cleansed and rinsed and got all the junk off of my brushes, I put these protective guards. I got like a pack of 100 from Amazon for like $4. So I put these protective guards on my brushes and I let them dry like this. They do dry completely through overnight, but what these do is they help keep your shape of your brushes so that like you don't have hairs that are just going everywhere as they're drying. So it's a really good way to kind of keep your brushes looking fresh, looking cleaner, looking like right out the box type of look. And it kind of just helps the longevity of your brush bristles. So I do appreciate that they came with their own brush guards. The bristles are really soft. Now these are white hairs, so these will definitely stain on my skin, but I don't mind. So let's see, the first one is a complexion brush. And for this one, I feel like I would use this for a very light blush. If I do have some light blushes, so this would work well. Yeah, I'll say this would be like a good blush brush for me. And I guess if I wanted to do some all over powder or a very diffused contour. And the next brush is a brightening brush, which I'm assuming they're saying this is a highlighter brush. Now this to me is super dense. It's gonna pick up a crap ton of highlighter, especially loose highlighter, because it's so dense. So I feel like this would be a brush that I would go very lightly with, but for a packed or pressed highlighter, I think this will be fine. Again, the bristles are very soft. And the last brush we have in the set is a bronzer brush. Now, I don't bronze my face. I feel like there's not a really good deep product out there that makes it look good on me. So I just don't bronze my face. But for this brush, I will definitely use it to put powder all over my face. So when I'm setting my foundation, or if I just want to make everything kind of have like that seamless effect, I would go for this. Now it is very soft and it's not as dense, but you do get a pretty hefty brush bristles in here, and they look like it's a little grooved at the top. So I'm wondering if this can also be used with foundation. I wouldn't per se, like I wouldn't use this with foundation because I feel like it would just seep right down into the bristles. It's not dense enough. But for powder foundation, possibly, but not for liquid, not for me. But yeah, so I will definitely give these a wash before using, and I do like the color. I think it's cute, and I will give them a try. And yeah, I'm definitely keeping this subscription. I have had months that have blown me away. So yeah, so I'm glad and happy that I got the facial pads, and I'm interested to see the effects of this under eye cream and brushes. Really, you can't go wrong. It just kind of helps increase your brush collection at the end of the day, which I'm all about. So if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. And yeah, that is all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.